Halor ka jingsha kan thok na ki katto katne ki breu hakaba ka parti BJP kaju Thombor bat kaju Pyndik na kapor syakapor ya ki Khristan ne ki red paj Hapoh Ka Ri India kumta na kaliang menteri jong ka sarkar jela uba AL hek ubadairu u MLA na ka parti BJP Hapoh ka jela ulayada halor ka ne kaseng da ka ba uong bakaseng BJP kam ju Donkti ne ka ju don benta haki kam Thombor ya ki Khristan ne ki red paj Hapoh Ka Ri India ula ongru baka parti BJP kam ju don jingedai bat kito ki kenhun ki badan kti ya ka jingsha Thombor ya ki Khristan hakeleng ka Ri India.
Yes, the incident that is happening, but this is not directly involved by BJP. It is involved by some organization where the social media has created it as blaming the BJP. So that is not happening only in that other state. Even it is happening in Meghalaya also. Suppose 1-2 incident happen in Meghalaya, can you blame the entire Meghalaya like that? And it cannot be blamed, no.
Do you think atrocities against Christians in India, that issue will affect the prospect of BJP in GHDC election likely to be held next year?
See, yes, actually if you ask me as a politician, this is because it has not done directly by BJP. Why will have effect on BJP? If BJP has not done anything wrong against any community or any Christian or any Hindu or any Muslim or any faith, if the BJP directly involved, then only I will tell you, yes, it will have an effect on the party. I know only BJP and the BJP political party. Who is the right wing? I don't know. Who is the left wing? I don't know.